Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today, I'm going to be decorating the big mirror in our entryway. So I'm going to be using this. These are the mini trees, so I'm going to create a swag. What I'm going to do is connect two together. I'm not going to be using the stand, so I'm removing the stand. So here you go. So what I'm going to do is connect these two before I even fan out or spread the branches. I'm going to be using zip ties. So I suggest using bigger zip ties here because these are wider and so that it won't buckle. So try to connect them as close to each other as possible. So try to put this next to this place where the branches start so that at least it's more even. And that's okay to leave the center because I'm going to put some embellishments there. You can start fanning out the branches. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm kind of like flapping them out like that, trying to cover the gap that I see are obvious gaps. I'm going to be using this silver glitter ribbon that I also got at the Dollar Tree, and this is about 9 feet. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm not the expert bow maker, guys, but this is how I've been doing it. I don't want it to overlap too much, so, but I don't want it to be too small either, that it's awkward. So maybe this much, maybe this is 7 inches wide. So I'm doing a fold like this, so fold it like this, and then another fold here, and then another fold, because what I want to do is kind of have a couple of them sticking out like that, okay, on each side. So another fold here, and then cut this portion here. The center is going to be hidden. I'd rather use my zip ties again here, guys, because I kind of want to reinforce the center still. But since I'm going to have a decoration sitting here, I would rather have the bulky portion here. Okay, so that's still loose, so that's why I'm not cutting it. But this is how I'm going to be flapping it out, like so. Now, if you want it to look like a flower in bloom, you can add 2 more on there, but I just wanted 4. And then there's this tail here. I know there are a lot of other expert bow makers here on YouTube. I'm not one of them, okay? I'm just doing it, winging it the way I always winged it. You how it looks like here. And this one can be at the center like that. This one also. So this is how it should look like. So this is now where I'm going to address how I'm going to be hanging it onto the wall, right? So I'm just tightening this, and I want to make a loop here, like so, and just knot it. And that's going to be where I'm going to be hanging it. And I'm going to cut it. So later I have a spot to hang it. Purchased this at the Dollar Tree. Put it here. It's going to be my center. And I'm going to be doing it a little bit more in silver tone. Using this poinsettias that I have on stash, left over from previous project. I'm going to put one here and put one on this end here. Okay, so that's simple enough. And then I'm going to be using some of the ornament bowls that they also sell at the Dollar Tree, and let's just put them at random here and there. Okay, so they are in silver tone as well. So instead of hot gluing my ornaments, I'm going to be tying them with these floral wires. It's thin, okay, that you can barely see them. I've had this for forever, long time now. And I think I may have gotten this from Michael's. You can buy also ornament hooks from the Dollar Tree. But if your Dollar Tree ran out of the hooks, you can buy this wire set. They also sell this. This is at the hardware section. It's called the Tool Bench Hardware Wire Set. So all I'm doing here is cutting at least 4 inches long of this wire, and then I'm tying it around each branch. So I'm putting 3 ornament balls on each side of the swag. So I tied up wire here too, and then I'm just gonna put it here. Then I added the last ornament ball on the right side, and then I'm going to be repeating the same arrangement on the left side. Okay, just want to show you that this can be a centerpiece and not just decorate your wall or your mirror like I'm doing right now. But I just want to show you this candle here that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's an LED pillar candle by Luminescence. And this is the taller, skinnier one. And this is the one that you often see, kind of fatter. Now, if you want to set this up on top of your table as a centerpiece, you can actually use this. You know, I removed this. You can actually use these candles to decorate, and it will look so lovely. Or here, one is smaller. See? It looks dramatic already like that. We put the other one here. So you have a trio of candles together. So let's do a little bit of experimentation here. You can put this here, put this on top, like that. You can also put the glass there. This is gonna fit on it. So, and then put the other one on the other side. There you go. And then this one here in the middle. You can actually put them in hurricane glasses that the Dollar Tree sells to connect them there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add more ribbons, and so that it has a little bit of a tail. Like that. This is how I do it so that it shows both sides. And then I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to use this wire here. Just going to put this two-tailed. That's it. And there's my bow. Okay, see that? Isn't that pretty? Now you can add lights too. Here, it's gonna be my end. And then I'm just gonna wind it. Here it is. I hung it on top of our entryway mirror. This is a huge mirror, and I love the effect of the lights, and of course keeping it simple with just the silver bow and the ornaments, and of course that snowflakes in the middle. And this is going to be here above our hallway, or our entry table rather, which I will decorate in a winter wonderland style. For the most part, it's going to be white and silver. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, that there are a couple of things that you can use this either on top of a frame, on a wall, on top of a mirror like this one, or on top of the window, an archway, or an entryway. And the possibilities are endless on this one when it comes to hanging. But you can also use this as a centerpiece above your table or even on top of your mantle. So this would work as well. Even on top of a cabinet. If you have a china cabinet where you display your china or your precious collections, you can use this as well on top of your bookcase. And if you want this in the farmhouse style, you can use the green mini trees that they sell also at the Dollar Tree, and just use probably the red and the green ornaments and the red or the green bows. Maybe use a buffalo plaid bow or ribbons, and maybe warm LED lights to finish it off. So I hope you're all having a great day, everyone. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please share this video as well. Please click like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell after you click the subscribe button. And that way you will not miss any of my new uploads. Please also don't forget to comment down below. I love reading your comments and responding to them. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you again on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.